Hi there, I'm excited to share with you guys our newest resource through the Central High School Library. So the first thing that you'll need to do to check out our interactive science database is go to the dashboard, and from there go to our library website. Click on research, and then you will see all of the different databases that we subscribe to. If you scroll down a little below, you'll see a lot of the other ones that our library also has access to. Today, I want to focus on Gale Interactive Science. You'll see right here that this really is specific towards biology, chemistry, earth science students, and human anatomy. So if we jump into this database, you can enter your password. It's Falcons, Falcons, all lowercase, and you can sign in. And from there, you're going to get lots of different options from what you can use. I'm going to go right here into this biology of a cell because I know that we've all had to learn that at some point. So let's take a look at an animal cell. All students and staff have access to this database now. So the thing I really like about this is you go down to the bottom and it gives you these 3D versions of cells that you can manipulate. So let's say you need to focus on the endoplasmatic reticulum and you want to see what's underneath this. You can move these pieces out. You can see what's underneath them, how they're really constructed and built. And I also really like little definitions on the side. You can rotate, move around, take a couple of quizzes to kind of self-assess and see how you're learning. Let's jump into another one. I know that we have a lot of students who are learning a lot about human anatomy, getting ready to prepare to go into the health field. So maybe they are learning about blood circulation. And I know it can be really tricky to learn all of these intricate things whenever you're looking at, just a worksheet. I think this does a really nice job of bringing it to life, giving you a real chance to dig into the content and to learn it with the newest technology that we have available for you. Know that you can also learn more information. You can translate. You can listen to it on audio. They give you vocabulary words to know. There's lots of great information here that you can also use in addition to the 3D graphs. And if you haven't used our 3D printers, these are available in the technology room with Mr. Shockey. These are some free files that you can use to print if you're interested in learning more about the 3D printer. If you have any questions, please stop by the library or feel free to email me. Thanks. Bye.